Hey everyone, I just want to say thanks so much for all the love and support on my previous video. You're about to watch us create the Sandstorm look, as I've just called it. So I really hope that you enjoy taking a look over this look and seeing how we created it. And if you have any questions about anything that I've used, please feel free to drop a comment, but don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow. Thank you. So if you want a sneak peek into my makeup box, here it is. Got all my brushes and stuff up here, and then I've got my makeup and all the fun stuff down here. Hey everyone, what's going on? So, I am very excited, because I finally got my makeup bag. So now that everything I have is organized, and like if you didn't know before, I had everything like in a box, because I couldn't find a box to fit all of my stuff in, which is fine. So, basically today I'm just going to do another get ready with me. I'm going to try and do a little bit of a different look. The other day for St. Patrick's Day I did green, I really liked it, but now I'm thinking I'm going to expand on some colors, do a couple of different looks. So yeah, so we're just going to get ready with me and see how it goes. And you actually might be wondering, why is my face shining like this? I just got done washing and moisturizing my face, but I'm doing these eye pad things that I got from Mary Kay. They're like gels that go under your eyes, and then you like rub the gel in and then put them, rub it in on top over here. So, and unfortunately I'm still having my little bit of an eyebrow issue that I was having before, but that's okay. Hopefully I'm gonna get them fixed in the next couple of days, so don't have anything to worry about there. So yeah, so I'm basically just gonna get all my stuff set up here, and then we will get rolling. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here actually is, because anybody that's seen my other videos, and if you haven't before, go back and watch them, but I'm basically gonna do just my basic putty primer, concealer, and foundation as I always do, and then we're gonna come right back and get into the look of the day. Okay, so my base face is done. I actually had to do a little bit mix of both liquid and powder foundation today, just because it was like clumping a little bit, and I think that's my own fault of storage when it comes to my foundation and stuff like that, so that's totally okay. So what I'm gonna do next is I'm going to grab my Eyes, Lips, Face palette from e.l.f. and I'm going to pick some colors from there today. So I normally sometimes like what I usually kind of go with, but I'm going to go a little different today. So I want to give my cheeks just a little bit of a pink look, because this is the shirt that I'm wearing today, and I want to like highlight my face a little bit, which is totally cool. Normally I'm not huge on doing that, but it's all good. Normally I like to keep a nice neutral toned face, but I think today I'm going to do a little bit of pink. But actually, so one thing that I am going to do, and I've actually wanted to try this, and I was totally going to do it in my last video, but I decided I wanted to wait. So this is a bronzing thing, like sample from Mary Kay. It's just meant for like a one application. It's a mineral bronzing powder, called Bronze Diva. And I'm actually going to use this to try and contour today, just to see how it works. I'm excited about this one, because it's like, we all know how bronzing and contour and stuff goes, so I'm going to give that a try. And then I'm going to add, on top of the contour, I'm going to add that pink blush that I was talking about. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of do a mix of both colors. Oh, that's actually pretty nice. It's pretty subtle. Despite, like, I think that's because I'm mixing the colors. That's pretty good. Just bring it down a little bit. But, like, already you can see the definition it's giving my face. So that's cool. A little bit more on this side. Sweet. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab it and blend it again and bring it down my jaw a little bit. Nothing crazy because I know it's a little bit darker. I just want to line my jaw. Sweet. And then I'm going to bring a little bit up on my forehead here just to round my face out a little bit, highlight the inner side. And then I'll blend this out with the pink. Okay, so in my total face palette, I've got it all opened up right here for us. I'm not going to be using this bright one. No. I'm going to be using this one right here, the more subtle one. I really like the pinks. I think the pinks are actually really, really nice. This one's a little bit brighter than I'm used to. So. It's blending into the contour really nicely. Contour is just a little bit dark, but that's all right. I'm just bringing it down here a little bit to blend. That's actually cute. It makes my cheeks look a little bit puffier. Oh, so I'm actually really excited. I actually wanted to tell you guys about this. I'm excited because I had rewards from Ulta. And I had a beauty box coming from it. So it's just like a big setup of a bunch of different products from brands that I normally would choose from. So I have a friend that works at the Ulta, and she sets me up with like surprise boxes type stuff, and I just basically picked a mystery box with the brands that I like, and it's getting sent to my house. It should be here in a couple of days, and when I do get that, I'm going to be doing a video to open the box and use what's in it. So that should be really fun. And I actually also wanted to mention too that I'm going to, in this link description, I'm going to link my TikTok account that I use because during the week, so today's Friday, and usually Fridays are the days that I do these videos to put onto YouTube, and I decided to start doing some like snippets of TikTok videos throughout the week. So like when I'm doing all my makeup throughout the week, I will do like clips to do the 1 minute TikTok look. So you can see on TikTok the looks that I do throughout the week, and I'll upload on there a couple times a week just to give like little snippets of what I'm doing as I'm going along doing my look, and then giving you the final look. So yeah. All right, so I'm thinking, what kind of colors do I want to do today? I'm almost thinking like browns and golds maybe. I may end up changing my Myrtle Beach sweatshirt. This is not where I'm from, it's just where I live for vacation, you know, pre-COVID. So, all right, now that I've cleaned that up, Ember, look, come here. Look. Thank you. She wanted to come over and say hello. Sometimes when I'm doing my makeup, she's nervous to come say hi because I got all my stuff out. Okay, so let's get back into it. I want to do see, I have such a huge colorful palette right here. So I'm really trying to decide how I want to go about this. I'm thinking gold. I'm thinking I want to do gold. So, with the goldish look, golden brown. Hi. She's like sitting like right next to me right here, like looking at me like, Mom, what are you doing? Why are you doing these things? Hi, sweet girl. Okay. I think I'm gonna do this nice like light tan color right here as my base. I usually put my base all over wherever I do color. No, Ember. No, thank you. No, thank you. She likes to sneak and grab my sponges when I'm doing my makeup. My eye is like watering. That never happens. Okay. That's so weird. My eye is like watering like crazy. Okay. So now that I did that, I'm going to do the crease first because then I'm going to blend it. Ooh, I'm missing a total whole spot. Right there. It's because my eye is watering that it's like coming off a little bit. Alright, so I have my crease and I'm gonna do this darkish brown color right here in the crease. It doesn't have like a shimmer to it. It's just like a matte brown. Perfect. Gives such a nice highlight to my eye. They actually brought this one. Looking pretty good. Pretty even for the most part. It's also the way that my eyes sit sometimes that it looks a little different. That's okay. Okay. So then what I think I'm gonna do is I have underneath the brown I just used is like this little bit lighter color. I think I'm going to use that to blend up and then do golden brown from there on out. So I'm going to use my blend brush. I bring that just up to about the middle of the eye. Looking pretty even. Pretty blended. Alright, and then I'm going to wash off this to use the same blending brush to do the gold. And then I'm actually going to do the gold starting over here and bring it this way and then put a highlight in the middle. So the golden, it's like right here. I actually used this one on St. Patrick's Day. My dog doesn't know how to slow down when she's eating treats. Oh my god, it looks so nice. It's like a sandstorm kind of look. That's what I'm calling it. Totally in love. Totally in love. It crosses over nicely. I'm actually going to bring back a little bit of that brown. To blend the shimmer where the eye meets. Okay. There is that. Oh my god, I'm in love, guys. We just created this look together. This is going to be the Sandstorm look. That's what I'm calling it. And then, actually, so I am going to bring back my eyeshadow brush. And then next to this gold color, I have like this little highlighted color that I like to use above my eyebrow. Or under my eyebrow. That rounds out my eyebrow. And it'll connect to the gold. Voila. So I don't know. Maybe I'm not gonna do... No, I totally should. Okay, guys, this is gonna be fun. Okay, hold on. Alright, so now that the shadows are done, I would normally say I'm not going to do a liquid eyeliner look for this, but I think I'm going to, because I think it's actually going to enhance the gold just a little bit. Okay, I'm actually going to bring out my other, I have a mirror here, but I'm going to use my holding mirror to do the liquid eyeliner, because then I can look really close at it. Because me and my blind self, we don't like to vision. Oh, it would have been such a mistake not to do this look. Okay. I'm glad we did it. So I was thinking about just doing like a little bit of the actual liner under my lid, and I'm so glad I went against it. We've got sister eyes. So exciting. Y'all know how hard that is, right? Like, and a little mascara. Hi, Em. Come here. Look. Let me see. Look. Come here. Let me see. Look. 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 Come here. Hi. Come here. Look. Thank you. She likes to grab things sometimes that she knows she's not supposed to, like socks. Not quite sure where she's getting them from right now because the laundry hamper is up. I'm obsessed. This is the Sandstorm look. We're calling it the Sandstorm look. Okay, last but not least. I'm trying to decide what to do with lips. We're gonna go with our trusty gloss look today. I want the eyes to do the talking today. All right. There we be. There's our Sandstorm look. Alright guys, so thanks so much for watching and creating this look with me. I'm going to post this up and feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, all of those fun things if you want to continue to see my Friday looks. And so yeah, so next time when I post a video, we will be doing our unboxing look from Ulta. Thanks so much, guys. This is what I deal with whenever I'm making all of my videos, guys. In case you're curious, this is Ember. She likes to sniff everything and be in my face. I love you.